Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Verify the phone and charger speak the same fast charge protocol and plug in a certified cable. Once done, open Only Way and import the fast charging animation into track 1 of your timeline so you can edit in context. Make sure the canvas size and frame rate match your target device. 60 FPS is common for smooth charging motion. This reduces later retiming work and prevents visual stutter when you test on real hardware. Now you refine timing and behavior. You should lock the main layers, pulse, progress bar, glow, to avoid accidental edits while adjusting curves. Then map a 0-100% value channel to the progress bar. Connect it to your charging event or mock input so the bar reflects real charge values. Use easing intentionally. Ease in for the initial surge to cell acceleration, a linear hold for steady charging, and ease out in the last 2 seconds so the final tick feels satisfying. Finish by previewing the animation on device while the battery actually charges. This ensures your progress bar matches API updates and avoids perceptual lag. Optimize assets before export. Rasterize expensive vectors, choose GPU-friendly blend modes, and cap render size to preserve runtime performance. If you run into sync problems where the animation lags the battery value, throttle sampling to 30 FPS or enable a short predictive smoothing algorithm so the UI anticipates updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.